Do you want to improve the resiliency of your SCADA or Industry 4.0 network? Then you should look at this video. Let's dig in. If you're not familiar with it, SCADA stands for Supervisory, Control, and Data Acquisition. And what it does more precisely is to monitor, control, collect data for analysis and alert. And any SCADA network will have sensors and actuators, things that read and things that take some kind of action. It will have RTUs or PLCs that run software that controls the sensors and actuators. And the RTUs then connect to HMIs, which are where the engineers look at dashboards and send commands and take control over the systems. If we take a look at what that looks like in a network diagram, if we start with some sensors and actuators, they are typically connected to an RTU with serial or Ethernet, something on a wire. There are cases though when it runs over some RF, could be Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, private 5G, satellite, could be all kinds of stuff. But very often it's over a wired interface. The RTU, then you typically have lots of RTUs connect to, in some cases, a on-site or local HMI. But if you have multiple sites, it's not uncommon that it all connects to an HMI that runs at the headquarters where the same engineers can monitor multiple sites. Or in the case of Industry 4.0, it could run to the cloud. Let's say it's Amazon, where some AI software is getting a lot more data, sensor data, running a control loop, running the alert logic, optimizing the system. So with Industry 4.0, there's just a lot more data in the network. In the site, you will also have staff Wi-Fi. You will have your AC systems, you'll have CCTV systems, you'll have printers and other IT stuff, and building management, etc. Typically, that will come into the same network. And in some cases, like the staff Wi-Fi, maybe go out over the same internet link. So what are the problems people run into in these networks? Well, you have data loss, problems, delayed updates, control loss, slow screens, dropped logs, etc. And all of these are typically caused by network congestion or poor network conditions. So where this happens, it could be out here, more likely on radio interface, like a Wi-Fi interface here. There could be congestion here. And especially when you mix in all the other traffic, there could be congestion here. Or these internet links easily can get congested. So what do you do about that? Well, at AppLogic Networks, our recommendation is always to start with understand your network. Look at the traffic, monitor it here and here, maybe in here, even here, to see what apps are being used, what's the quality of experience, what users, what's heavy, what's not, is anything broken, is anything stuck in a loop. By looking at the traffic, you can find a lot of anomalies. Number two, once you understand the network, prioritize the critical things. Prioritize the critical applications, the critical sensor data, the control commands. Don't prioritize large software updates. That can take its time. And three, if you need to, apply some shaping. Maybe on staff Wi-Fi, downloads, whatever else you think is low priority and taking up a lot of your resources. And that is how AppLogic Networks makes SCADA networks better.